Good morning, everyone. I'm Erica, LOL Beauty and Reviews. I'm Erica. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to get a video up for y'all this week. I have some empties I wanted to do, but I don't know if I'll be doing them. I am not currently wearing anything but foundation because I have had some sort of stomach virus this week all of a sudden, and it's not going away. I'm not pregnant. Yeah, I'm not pregnant. They just did all those tests last week, so I was at the doctor's office. So also, the lump that I found is not cancer, so that's good news. They're still doing more blood work because some of the things came back right and then some of the things are still wrong. So I have to do another round of blood tests, and then they're going to take me to a specialist if they're still wrong. So there's that. But my Boxycharm came in. And this is what my hair looks like when I don't straighten it, so y'all know. It is, I brushed it this morning, and it's like whoosh. That's why I was laughing when I looked up at myself. I was like, oh my gosh, my hair is its own co-star today. So I'm thinking when I was at the doctor's office last week, or at the radiologist, whatever you want to call it. I was at the main hospital in Galveston. I am thinking I caught some kind of a stomach bug because it just doesn't make any sense. So I thought maybe I ate the wrong things, maybe. But it looks like it's just, it wouldn't last this long if it was just my stomach was mad at me for having too many spicy things all at once. So I'm guessing. But anyways, this is the February Boxycharm. Let's reach in here and grab our little thing so we can see. I have a really long number for what variety this is, but there's what says Be My Glamentine. And there is the number. I don't know if you can see it. Let me move my head. Anyways, there's a number at the bottom that tells you which variation. Let me get my calculator if I could find it. See, these are the things I should do before I turn the camera on, and I always forget to do. And you can tell the sun is coming out through the curtains. I would face that way, but we got these windows that have these like double panes, and I can't get, I think I have to literally take the outside set of windows off to get in between there, and there's like spider webs, and it drives me nuts. So like I shut the curtains a lot on that window because that's the one that no matter what I do, I cannot get in there. Well, Eric broke 2 sets, so we were able to take them off and clean them. But yeah, let me get back to what I was doing. I just noticed the sun hitting my head is all. So yeah, it's peeking over the house behind us. There's a piece of paper here first. First thing I could find is this OPV Beauty loose setting powder. OPV Beauty loose setting powder, perfect setting for your foundation wearing alone. Whether you rely on setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse formula, diffuse this formula as a finishing touch, bring the whole look together. I love the packaging. Why does that look yellow? It says medium. It looks really dark. I'll have to look at that one day. That might work. Is that sun becoming more and more? Let me go shut that real quick. You're not gonna see me for a minute. Okay, I'm coming back. Just a little there. That way it's not so distracting to y'all, if anything. This is $22. And I forgot to mention that the box went up. It's about $30 a month, you know, give or take, because I think it's $27.99. So once it comes out of your bank, it should be like $30 probably. The next thing I have is Ace Beauty Glow highlight palette. highlighter palette by Ace Beauty Glow. Well, we all know what highlighters are. It says $40. It's a new launch. Oh, wow. I really like those. I'm not going to touch the actual highlighters because I'm trying to decide if I want a highlighter palette. If that makes any sense. Because I use individuals a lot. And I'm going to start the declutter soon. Even if I don't record it, I need to get to doing it. And I don't know if... Oh, this is $40. I don't know if I really like the whole palette things or if I like the individuals because I'll use more. If that makes sense. The next thing is Yensa Color Plus Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. 8 Super Blacks Essence. That's what it says. Look. So I don't... No, I don't... Is it... Yeah, it's sealed, so I don't want to... This is what it looks like. It looks like just like a primer tube. Satin Tone Up Primer moisturizers prep skins, increases longevity of foundation, blurs imperfections, fine lines, wrinkles, provides brighter, even skin tone, minimize appearance of pores. Powered by 8 Super Blacks Essence, nourish skin, superfoods, smooth layer, tone up primer, clean moisturized skin, blend for foundation. It says color plus face, meaning of yen, Chinese color and face, English deep desire and passion, Vietnamese calm and peaceful, Japanese currency. Okay. This says perfect first step achieving a great glow. 8 super powered skin loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, wrinkles. Lightweight satin sheen formula, $35. Okay, put that over there. Luna Liner, water resistant liquid liner. I'm not even going to open the box because I don't use liquid liners. So this will go in a giveaway. Probably there's 2 boxes behind me. One is like a self-care type giveaway and one is going for the autism giveaway that's coming up. So I'm trying to finish filling up the boxes. This is by Referral Botanicals. Let me see so I can at least show y'all the pencil. Referral Botanicals water-resistant liquid liner, vegan fade-proof water-resistant liquid liner that features an intensely black line. Yeah, I'm not going to take it out of this plastic for sure. So it's just a typical black liner. And it's $18. Alright. And last but not least is Alley Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. What is it with Alley Oop? Isn't that what that little click pen was? Was Alley Oop? And there's like a Meet Alley Oop gift, $10. Let me see. 4-in-1 brush. Twist and to open. You know what? I'm going to leave this alone and I'm not going to touch it because I have a lot of brushes. So someone else might enjoy this. And I don't want to touch the bristles or anything. So we're just going to go ahead and put it back in here. And it says, let me show you. When you look at the side, see it's got little brushes inside. But I'm not going to use this, so I don't want to touch it. And it's $28. It's a 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. And this compact game changer is all full face and go or at home. Premium synthetic fibers, $28. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell, but I was going to sit there and I was going to open it, and I'm like, you know what? I don't want to touch all that because this could be for someone else. If you want to see it opened up and looked at, maybe go to another channel because I have a lot of brushes and I don't want to waste this by opening it and touching it. So we're going to go ahead and put it back in the box. So in total, everything is $143. So you minus the $30 and you get $113 value over what you paid. So to me, that's where the value comes in, is the fact that this is, sometimes there's some skincare in these boxes that are, yeah, I would never pay that price for that skincare. So you get value in each box. Are you going to get makeup every time? Probably not. Are you going to get skincare every time? Probably not. Are you going to get a mixture of both? Maybe. But the thing is, it's stuff you probably wouldn't go and get yourself in some cases. Like, there's no way that the eye cream I still have not used that costs over $100 for a little bottle that I would go get that myself. There's no way. So it does add value, even if it's stuff you're not going to use, because like some of the stuff I've given away for giveaways, but for a normal person, like, can you imagine the look on your mom's face if you give her a little thing of eye cream that costs almost $150 for a gift? I mean, you could put stuff to the side and it could be gifts for Christmas and Thanksgiving, and not Thanksgiving, birthdays, Mother's Day. I mean, think about it. $30 a month and that's what you're getting. But yeah, you have to be able to afford it too. Because there's some months that I'm like, do I want to cancel this? Do I want to save up money and just pay for the whole year? I mean, teach their own. And you could tell I'm really pale even through the thing. So I am going to call this done. And I am going to put this up. It is Thursday, February 10th, I believe. Me and Jason will be together 9-year anniversary on the 15th. That is very, very nice. I love it. So, I should have a video in between now and then. It depends on how well this does. Because as you can see, we're on Thursday, 4th day of not feeling good. And I'm still very pale, having to stay hydrated. And that's what happens. I'm telling y'all. When I got the flu, I had forgotten to take my vitamins for 3 days. I go to Eric's doctor's. I'm sick. I get unsick just in time to go to the hospital to get radiology done to check for cancer, and I pick up a stomach bug inside the hospital. This is what happens all because I didn't take some vitamins. That's how bad my immune system is. So, yeah. Let's hope I can get my immune system back up and not get sick next time I go to the doctor's office, which is in a couple of weeks, to get more blood work done. So I will talk to y'all later, and if y'all watched the video last week, I will get to commenting. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.